Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new smart bracelet. So this is like a copy of the Mi Band 3. It looks similar to Mi Band 3. So we're going to see the specification and the watch itself. So it has an activity record, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, calorie burned, reject call, alarm, message, and USB charging. This watch is 21 grams. It has a 90 milliamp hours battery. It's 240 millimeters. The screen is 0.96 inch. It has a lithium polymer battery. It has 4.0 Bluetooth, and it has a TPU strap material. This is the box. So in the box we have user manual, straps, and the watch. It's easy to install. So this is the watch. It has more rough rubbery material. It's one button touch and plenty of option. Now if we turn on, we can see the clock, the battery, Bluetooth sign, and the data. Here are the steps, distance, calorie, health, sleep monitoring, sport, news, and we have more options. So first we go and we go to steps. We have distance. After we connect with our phone, which we're gonna do in the next video, it's gonna show our steps, our burned calories, etc. We have health. So as you guys can see, now is vibrating and is measuring heart pressure. We have sleep monitoring and we have sport. Press and hold is gonna open the sport. So we have walk, run, cycling, basketball, swim, table tennis, badminton, climb, and soccer. So we have plenty of sports. We have news, so here is going to notify us from the phone. In more, we have about the watch, QR code. We have to reset the watch and to turn the watch off. Now we are going to test heart rate. We go to health, we press and hold, and it's starting to measure our heart rate. we have to wait a little bit. So this watch shows real-time heart rate. Here in health we have blood oxygen, heart rate, you have blood pressure. Here in health we have blood pressure, we have blood oxygen, and we have other option. So this watch is very comfortable and very easy to use. Here we have about another option, and this is the first page. So this watch is cheap enough. You can buy it $10 to $15, and the link to buy this watch will be in the description. So we will take a look of the user manual. First page is already in Chinese, and you flip the user manual, it's gonna be in English. So as we can see, when we connect our phone, it's gonna show the weather here, and we have steps count. So here we have in the first page is gonna show the weather. Next we have steps count, we have distance, burn calories, we have in health, we have heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. After health we have sleep, and we have sports. So in sport we have many different options. We have walk, run, cycling, basketball, swimming, table tennis, badminton, climb, and soccer. So here is all the option in the user manual. If you go in the third page, we have news, and then we have more. So here in more, as you can see, we have about, QR code, reset, and off. So after we connect with our phone, it's gonna show another option to find the phone or looking for mobile phone. Next we have the first page again. So here are the QR code for the app. This watch has the app, and we are going to show you how to connect this watch with the app in the next video. So to see that video, please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on.